Here I have HTC One M9E, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Files application, File Manager I mean. Here you have to select files which you want to transfer. For example, let's go to the internal storage, I don't know, maybe some pictures. We have screenshots here. Let's transfer these screenshots. Then select copy or move to, so you can move them or just let them be here and copy them somewhere. So let's copy them to the SD card. So how can we go to the... Okay, so this is basically an SD card, removable storage, because we can like remove it from our device. Did you get it? So let's transfer it to the pictures. I don't know, maybe tap paste, and now you have these screenshots on our removable storage and also in our eternal storage. Wow, unbelievable. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.